Hello everyone, I am Vikram Kumar, final student of Engineering College Ajmer. I am going to present my seminar report on augmented reality. So my seminar topic is augmented reality in education. This seminar report is a part of curriculum of computer engineering. I wish to thank all the people who gave me unending support. I express my profound thanks to coordinator Sir Mr. Sandil Khinchi, seminar guide Mr. Jitendra Singh Yadav, and all those who have indirectly guided and helped me to prepare this seminar. So in this topic we are going to cover some the following topics, like what is the augmented reality, what is the history, how to use the augmented reality and how it is work, like what's the algorithm to proceed the augmented reality, what's the application of AR, the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality, and the implementation framework of augmented reality, advantage and disadvantage of AR, and what is the various issues in the augmented reality, what is the challenges we have to face in the future to implement the augmented reality, the conclusion and the reference which I use to prepare this seminar report. So first of all, we have to look into the deeper into this topic, that what is the augmented reality. So here is the growing area in the virtual reality research. Like virtual reality is the field in which you have to create a virtual model of any existing or non-existing uh, cell in this world. The world environment around us provide a wealth of information that is difficult to duplicate in a computer. So this is the evidence by the world used in virtual environment. Like there are some topics in the science we have to difficult to imagine, but from the help of virtual reality we can implement in a very good nature. So what is the AR? The AR is the part of virtual reality. It is the process of superimposing digitally rendered image onto our real world surrounding, giving a sense of an illusion or virtual reality. Recent development have made this technology accessible using the smartphone. So we have to take it into the history, like what is the history of AR. The beginning of AR, as we define it, date back Sutherland's work in the 1960s. We used to see through HMD to present 3D graphics. However, only over the past decade has there been enough work to refer to AR in the research field. In 1997, Azuma published a survey that defined in the field, described many problems, and summarized the development up to that point. Since the AR growth and process have been remarkable. What is how to use the AR? Augmented reality is the hidden content most commonly hidden behind marker image that can be included in the printed and film media, as long as the marker is displayed for a suitable length of image in a stated position for an application to identify and analyze it. Depending on the content, and the marker may have to remain visible. So my topic is to what is the use of augmented reality in the education field. So how does it work? Like using the mobile application, a mobile phone's camera identify interrupt a marker, often a black and a white barcode image, or even some type of coding images. The software analyzes the marker and create a virtual image overlay on the mobile phone screen tied to position of the camera. This means the app work with the camera to interrupt the angle and distance the mobile phone uses away from the marker. Like I have to show you a demonstration that how it works. I am going to scan the image and look. And scan this image and look. This is how this skeleton is work. The second image is the cycle. the 3D house plotting images. So back to PPT. There are the various application of AR. We have to field this in the medical field, manufacture and repair field, annotation visualization field, robot path planning, entertainment, and the military aircraft, and of course in the education field. So most of the people think that the AR and the VR is the same thing, but that both are the different. AR is a part of virtual reality, so we have to demonstrate the difference between AR and VR. So the AR augmented reality is the system argument that real world scene, like what we have to see in the real world is the it's come under the augmented reality. User maintain a sense of presence in the real world, need a mechanism to combine virtual and real worlds, hard to register real and virtual. So and the virtual reality is the totally immersive environment, sensor under control of system, and need a mechanism to feed virtual world to user, hard to make a VR world interesting. The framework we have to use for implementation of the AR is two types of framework. Like we have to demonstrate any software using the hardware and software. So to make the system to be lightweighted and comfortable as possible, off the shelf hardware can be used to avoid the expense, effort and time involving a building our own, and the software infrastructure code write a prototype environment that provide language level support for distributed environment, virtual environment. What is the advantage of AR? So it can increase the knowledge and information. It will increase our uh, it will increase knowledge and information, and people can share expert experience with each other in the real time over the long distance. Games that provide an even more real experience. Things come to life on people's mobile form of escapism. But there are some disadvantages like spam and security, social and real time versus solitary and cache user experience. Using AR can be inappropriate in social situation and openness. There are some issues in the augmented reality like performance issue. In the real time processing of image can be challenges and often can slow down augmented reality system. The interaction issues like user within the mixed environment because of augmented reality have difficult interacting with the environment as normal, and alignment issues like people working in augmented reality are more sensitive to alignment error. Proper collaboration and alignment with the reference frame of the world is crucial. There are some challenges like technological limitation, user interface limitation, and the social acceptance, because it is there are very few people who can access the augmented reality. Not everyone can use the augmented reality because there is a social distance, and also the social awareness is very lag in this field. So what we have concluded in this PPT live, what is the main point we have to cover, that augmented reality is the another step further into the digital age as well. We will see our environment challenged dynamically either through the smartphone, either through the glass, car, windshield, and even windows in the near future to display enhanced content and media right in front of us. This has amazing application that can very well allow us to live our lives more productively, more safely, and more informatively. Okay, so I am going to show you some example of augmented reality, that how we can use in the education field. We know that the any molecular have different type of structure, so we have to demonstrate like this in the nuclear model. This is the oxygen model. So we have to see that there are six elements outside the P cell. This is the hydrogen element, and we can see that this makes the H2O, the water molecule. This is the water bubble. We can see that this is the H2O. which is sodium molecule, the one element in the p orbit, and this is chlorine, the the seven element in the outer shell, and when we mix it, this is make the sodium chloride NaCl. So that's all. Thank you everyone for the help